Hello, and in this video let's discuss about the undergraduate courses offered at the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning. Now this is a university which is really good, but not many people know about it, and not many people want to actually adapt the Gurukul system which they follow, so they don't opt for it. But in this video, let's talk about their undergraduate courses. Their forms are open right now. You can go and fill it up. Quickly scanning through the departments they have: Department of Mathematics and Computer Science, Physics, Chemistry, Biosciences, Food and Nutritional Sciences, Management and Commerce, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, Department of Education. And they also have the Department of Languages and Literature and the Department of Performing Arts. Alright. Important notes. I had mentioned this in the video for DU as well, previous videos. A specialization stream allows you to gain deeper knowledge in your, I've written the wrong thing here, it would be the major stream. Okay, specialization means you are specializing in a subfield of your major. A minor stream allows you to get additional knowledge in a stream that is not your major. At IHL you have the option to pursue both simultaneously. That does not happen in the Faculty of Technology, University of Delhi, so you can keep that in mind as well. For any additional information, you can log on to sssihl.edu.in. Now, let's talk about the undergraduate programs offered here. First, we have, by the way, all the programs here are 4-year programs and they're honors programs, alright? You can have an early exit after 3 years, you won't get an honors then. You can exit after 2 years with a diploma, even that's possible. So if the research option is available with the course, then you have the option to either go for just honors or honors with research. Otherwise, you can simply go for the honors if the research element is not available. That will be mentioned on the slide itself. You have biosciences and biotechnology. It's available for men and women. So if a course is either only available in the men's campus or in the women's campus, I'll speak it out particularly, otherwise I'll just skip it. Okay, you have an elective stream here in this course, which is analysis and applications. Now, Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence and Computational Biology. Elective streams, you have biotechnology, bioinformatics, computer science and data science. Now, BS in Actuarial Data Science. Now let me just talk about it a bit. It's available only in the men's campus. Actuarium or actuarial science, it comes from the term actuarium, which is all about risk assessment. It could be in the financial sector, it could be in the electric vehicle sector, it could be in an industry, manufacturing sector, anything. Risk assessment with the help of mathematics and other sciences. That's what it is. And in the modern context, you apply artificial intelligence and machine learning, you get what we call actuarial data science. Okay, now why is it special? IHL is one of the 4 universities in the world and the only university in India to achieve all the prestigious distinctions in actuarial sciences. For more information, you can check the website. And additional course content is to prepare you for all the certificates and exams which you need to clear in order to become a certified actuarial scientist. You can pause and read them as well. BS in computer science. You have a specialization discipline in artificial intelligence. You have a minor discipline in data science. So your degree can look like this at the end of 4 years. BS honors with research in computer science, with specialization in artificial intelligence and a minor in data science. Okay. You have BS in mathematical sciences and computing. Specialization disciplines may you have artificial intelligence, applied mathematics, cybersecurity, and quantum computing. Now, this is a very interesting course. Unlike a normal BSc course which we have, BS in mathematics, you can specialize in applied mathematics, artificial intelligence, industrial mathematics, theoretical computer science, mathematical biology, actuarial science as well. And in the minor disciplines, you have data science, computer science, actuarial science, physics, and chemistry. You have so many options here. This is also a good course. You can have a BS in finance, economics, and data analytics. And you have three career options here. You have to design your degree accordingly based on what you want to do. You have finance, you can become a financial analyst, investment banker, risk manager. If you go for economics, in your career, you can become an economic analyst, policy advisor, market researcher. In data analytics, you can become a data scientist, business analyst, and quantitative analyst. You have BS in food and nutritional sciences. Under specializations, you have applied nutrition and food technology. Under minor disciplines, you have wellness and fitness management, nutrition and food studies, you have food processing and food products. Now, this is also interesting. Under BS chemistry, interdisciplinary, by the way, just a minute. If I remember properly, I missed it. The previous course is only for women, food and nutritional sciences, alright? Now, talking about chemistry, interdisciplinary disciplines, which means you study them, you have to choose one of them in order to specialize in it. It's not exactly a specialization, but you get more depth than usual. You have mathematics, you have physics, you have biosciences and biotechnology. Under specialization disciplines, you have applied chemistry, applied materials, drug discovery and design. And then under minor disciplines, you have biosciences and biotechnology, food products and processing, data science, physics, mathematics. All these options you have in your minor. Talking about physics, under specializations, you have photonics, functional material science, microelectronics. Under minors, you have data science, artificial intelligence, chemistry, mathematics, economics, and biosciences. Now we have entered the science part. We have BCom honors and or honors with research here. You can specialize in commerce itself by taking subjects which are more in depth, and you have some additional course content for professional certifications like CACS, ACEA, CIMA, CFA. In order to know more about the students who have successfully cleared these prestigious exams and professional exams, you can look up this university on LinkedIn and also the website. And also you have the thing of use of technological tools in data analysis. The BA honors economics, and you can take a double minor in this one. So you get two minors. So you choose two subjects out of them. Since it's a BA in economics, you have the arts subjects here, right? History, political science, English, Sanskrit, Telugu, Hindi. Now, philosophy and psychology only for women, music only for men. BA in English language and literature. Now, specialization disciplines as a research topic. Okay, you can research in one of these disciplines. Linguistics and statistics, you have literature and literary theory, English language teaching, English for professional purposes. And option 1, you have minor disciplines, open minor, which means you get only one minor if you go for option 1. Under that, you can choose a broad field, right? A broad field. You see, it's not a particular subject here. Humanities, social sciences and languages, sciences, commerce, and management. Option 2 for a minor is a double minor, just like the previous course I mentioned. Under this, again, you have the options of history, political science, English, Sanskrit, Telugu, Hindi, philosophy, psychology, music. BBA honors, very popular course as well. Under minor disciplines, again, you can either choose a single minor or you can have a double minor. Okay. Now, entrepreneurship and marketing analytics. Sorry, just a minute. These two are actually a part of one minor discipline. These are a part of another minor discipline. Of course, I'm wrong. This one and this one form one, this one and this one form another, and they are available to you in different semesters like that. You can check the website for more information. You can design your degree accordingly. Under elective disciplines, you have marketing and finance. And you have Bachelor of Performing Arts in Music. What disciplines do you have here? Carnatic vocal, Carnatic instrumental veena, Carnatic instrumental mridangam, Hindustani vocal, Hindustani instrumental tabla. And minor disciplines again, history, political science, economics. And more of them, English, Sanskrit, Telugu, Hindi. You're getting all of them if you're choosing a BA course or any arts course, okay? The students are prepared for all India radio grade auditions, and again, renowned artists have visited Prashanti Nilayam to perform at the ashram of Sri Sathya Sai Baba. And you can pause the video and read these names of visiting artists. And Padma Shri Sumitra Guha, who is a Hindustani classical vocalist, she is a visiting faculty here. That's it for this video. Try to cover all the things quickly so that you have an idea of the programs offered here. And for any more queries, you can comment down below. You can also connect with me on other forms of social media. Check the channel description for more information. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.